Good morning, Faye. So basically, you're here today after your bunion surgery. How long ago was it done?
About 3.5 months ago.
And you had neuroma excised as well at the same time,
That's
right?
correct, on the same foot.
So tell me, how much pain were you in before the surgery?
I was in quite a bit of pain, and I was in so much pain that I limped a lot when I walked.
Okay, so it interfered with your exercise regimen?
That's correct. I had to stop my exercise, actually.
Okay. So you had the surgery, and was it very difficult? Were you in a lot of pain after?
The surgery was very simple. Afterwards, I had to keep the foot up for about a week. And when I stepped down, it was painful, but after about a week, the pain started abating. I was given plenty of medications for pain. I didn't have to use a whole lot of them. If you kept it elevated, it pretty well took care of itself.
So for people who have this type of a problem and they're hesitant to have it done because they heard horror stories about it, what would you recommend?
Well, I would definitely recommend having the surgery. I, too, was one of those that had heard the horror stories, and I had put it off for years. I wish now that the bunion surgery I put off for years. The neuroma came up several months before I went to see the doctor. And when I finally saw the doctor, I decided to have both done. And now I wish I'd had the bunion surgery done years ago, because it was really the easier of the two surgeries.
Right, exactly. So you're 3 months out, and percentage-wise, how much better you are comparison to before the surgery?
I'd say about 97%.
All right. Well, congratulations. You've
Well,
been
thank you.
a perfect patient.
Well, it's been worth it all.
Thank you.